It's time for the antiderivative number 2. Antiderivative. Oh yeah. That's right.
Let me hear you say it.
That's right. Antiderivative. So, oh yeah. So now. That's okay. So, we're going to take the integral here. If you've noticed, you can't do this because it's a fraction. So you have to think here. One of the steps that we have is you want to try and multiply or divide ahead of time if you can. If you notice, this is no elementary antiderivative. So, for example, I'm going to divide here because they're being dividing. So I'm going to distribute the fraction to each one. So it's 3x over 3 minus 1 over 3x. The integral from 1 to 2 of this dx. And clearly this gives me 1 minus 1 over 3x. Antiderivative from 1 to 2 dx. And then from here, the antiderivative of 1 is what? With respect to x, is x. That's right. Good job. Now, if you recall here, this is 1 times 1/3. And the antiderivative of 1 over x is ln of the absolute value of x. And then this 1/3 just goes along for the ride. And then we're going from 1 to 2 here. And I'd just like to close it up here. Okay? And now... Oh, by the way, if you needed just if you want a precursor or a breakdown of this one, it's it's the integral of this here is the 1/3 goes out, so it was 1/3 times the integral from 1 to this dx. So this one, if you look in your book, the integral of du over u is ln absolute value of u plus c, and this is the same thing as dx over x, right? So, anyways, the point is you get this one, and now you plug it into the antiderivative. So you get 2 minus 1/3 ln of 2. It's the absolute value of 2, which you know is 2, so who cares? Minus, put parentheses around this junk. Oops, sorry. And you go from here. And plug it in the 1. There's 1 minus 1/3 ln of 1. Absolute value of 1, which we should know is 0. So then we get 2 minus 1/3 times ln of 2. Oh my god, I can't write. ln of 2 minus 1 plus ln of 1 is 0, so that goes away. I distributed this negative, so it's negative. That's plus 0, so who cares? So 2 minus 1 is 1 minus, well, this is ln of 2 over 3. If that answer's not there, I guess I suck. You probably want to get a common denominator and see if you see that one.